Hi guys, today we will do sliding window maximum problem, which is hard question. Let's read the problem statement. You are given an array of integers nums. There is sliding window of size k. So the size of sliding window is k, which is moving from the very left of the array to the very right. You can only see the k number in the window. Each time the sliding window moves right by one position, return the maximum sliding window. Let me explain what does that mean. So let's say this is the nums array we are getting. The window size is 3. So at first point of time, we are able to only see 1, 3, minus 1 as the elements. What's the maximum element in it? 3. So we will print 3. Then the window moves towards the right side by one element. So now we are able to see 3 minus 1 minus 3. So what was the max element in it? 3. Likewise we will do for the rest of the elements. Okay. Now after giving much thought, like I can certainly say we can do using array dqs. You will get it from the practice. Okay, so I'm going to declare array dq. Now I'm going to traverse the elements. Now what to do? First we should be able to insert the elements into the dq, right? So dq dot offer last 5. But before inserting we need to check, like let's say at first time we'll insert 1 into the dq. Next we will encounter 3 as element. Now before inserting into 3, we'll check is my current element greater than last element of the dq. Yes, it is greater. Remove the element. Okay, so while dq is not empty and end nums of I, which is current element, greater than dq dot peek last we are storing indices, so we need to check with nums. Okay, then delete it. Dq dot poll last deletes last element. After removing all the lesser elements, we will add the element into dq. Now what will we do? See, we should see, if you see here, we need to return an int array. So let's create a list. You can create array as well based on the size n minus k or something like that. I prefer dynamic size, so let's go. When should you insert the elements into the answer? When the window size is at least k, otherwise we don't have to do anything. Okay, so when I is equal to k minus 1, that means we are inserting at least k size elements. Okay, so but before doing it, we need to remove, like if there are any elements that are not present in the current window, right? So in order to do that, we can do this. See, from my I'm going to keep k elements and not more than that. So I'm going to get the pop element index, which is the boundary. So if pop element is greater than or equal to my first element, then I need to remove my first element. We can use while as well, but it will only execute once, because if we are moving from this window to this window, we need to remove only once, right? So if is fine, and ns not add the first element is our maximum element. So I'm going to return the answer, but here my answer is in list, so I need to convert it into array. So I'm going to use streams. Okay, there was some error. Okay, the spelling was wrong. Q. Okay, the values are coming as wrong. Okay, offer last and pick first, full first. Okay, we are taking as index, but we need to provide the value. Okay, so yeah, everything seems right. Let's submit. Yeah, that's all. Let's see in another video. Thank you.